houseplants don't purify the air. There have been many myths going around in YouTube videos and blog posts that plants purify the air. But really, that's not true. That is what we will talk about in this video. Here it is. Sadie's Space! I bet you guys are shocked to hear this, and even I mentioned this in my 4 benefits of having a houseplant in your home video. But that was before I found out from Sheffield Made Plants. There's a link to his channel below, so check him out. He has so many plant-related videos. Anyway, back to the point. Plants can purify the air, but for the amount of houseplants that we actually put in our homes, the difference is so minuscule that we don't even notice. For this to actually work, you would need millions of plants, like a jungle. Nobody has that many plants, so this doesn't work. You might be thinking, what about snake plants? Well, they are slightly different. They continue to produce oxygen at night, making them a great plant for the bedroom. Don't just buy a snake plant for its air purifying properties, because it actually doesn't work, no matter what they tell you in the garden center. I wish this myth was true, and with just a few houseplants, we could have purified air forever. But sadly, that's not the case. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a bit more about plants not purifying the air. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing plant videos. As always, I'm Sadie, and this is my space. Bye!